Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe at home. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6 Social Science Chapter 2. Students, in my previous class we already started Chapter 2. Let's continue the chapter. Please open page number 20. Location of the sites. Near water bodies. Most of the sites were located near water bodies, such as rivers and lakes, where water was easily available. Availability of good quality stone. Stone tools were important. People tried to find places where good quality stones were easily available. Places where stones were found and people made tools known as factory sites. Various finished and unfinished stone tools have been found at some sites. At factory sites, people lived near their factories for longer spells of time. These sites are called habitation cum factory sites. We find blocks of stone, tools, discarded tools. Discarded means dispose of. Chips of waste stones near these sites. These include caves and rock shelters. Bhimbetka is known as habitation site. Children, see, try to find out few more sites in India where humans settled. This is your homework. You have to find out. Next is Paleolithic Age. The earliest period of history is known as the Paleolithic Age. Paleolithic word comes from the two Greek words paleo and lithos. It means old stones. The name points to the importance of findings of stone tools. The Paleolithic period extends from 2 million years ago down to about 12,000 years ago. This long stretch of time is divided into three parts. This long span of time covers 99% of human history. Children, see, this is Paleolithic period divided into three parts. First one is Lower Paleolithic period. Second is Middle Paleolithic period. Third one is Upper Paleolithic period. First of all, we'll see what is Lower Paleolithic period. During this period, many parts of the earth were covered with ice and the climate was severely cold. This period is known as Ice Age. The tools used in this period were hand axes and choppers. Hand axes were mainly used for chopping trees and animals. In the beginning, these tools were used without a handle. Later on, they were tied to a wooden handle, which made it possible for a man to use it with greater force. Choppers were made of heavy stones worked to a sharp edge in one direction only and were used for chopping meat. In India, such tools have been discovered in the valley of the river Son in Punjab and on the banks of the river Narmada in Madhya Pradesh. Children, now we are on page number 21. Types of tools. Stone tools were of two types. One is core, Another one is flake. Core. What is core? Core tools were usually oval shaped and were made by chipping off pieces from chunks of small rocks and pebbles. They were probably used for digging out edible roots and tubers and cutting trees, edible fit to be eaten. Flake tools were the sharp pieces that were chiseled out while making core tools. They were used for skinning hunted animals and chopping flesh. Skinning means peel. Students, and the rest of this lesson we will discuss in our next video. Until then, thank you. Bye bye.